All right, so we're at new construction, 1 year warranty inspection, and I just wanted to talk about the grading out here and the issues that we're seeing with ponding here. So um, the grading's pretty decent here, you know, sloped away from the house, pretty good, but well, there's a little bit of settlement over here um, by the by the gas meter, and this gas meter, that's a whole nother thing because it's quite loose, and it wasn't like that at the pre-closing inspection. But anyways, sticking to the grading here, so it looks good. We have a decent swale here, but we have some ponding here because I don't know, there's like a little hump right here. I think the swale wasn't maybe deep enough right here in this section, but it comes around and this is okay, but then it starts ponding up over here again. Grading on this side is okay as well, but the problem is if it comes down this way to here, and from over here it comes down and basically has nowhere to go. That swale does not continue, you know, it should continue through this yard and down, you know, so on and so forth, but it doesn't. So I think the ponding here in this yard is going to continue to be an issue if this swale is not extended. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video talking about that.